Ukrainian forces have released footage of a bomber drone destroying a Russian tank in a graphic example of the firepower of unmanned air attacks. The footage from the 59th Motorized Brigade, part of the Ukrainian ground forces, goes with the message, "The day was not in vain." In the video, the drone drops 3 bombs on a Russian armored vehicle. The Ukrainian forces did not specify which drone was used to destroy the enemy tank. One seems to miss the armored vehicle, but the other 2 score direct hits. The Ukrainian military also said they pushed back the enemy's lines during clashes in east-central Dnipropetrovsk Oblast and regained control of 15 settlements. Defending forces also launched a counter-offensive in occupied Novodar and Luhansk, destroying more than 50 tons of ammunition and 40 units of Russian equipment. Russian troops invaded Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is calling a special military operation. Today marks the 49th day of the invasion. From February 24 to 13 April, the total combat losses of Russian troops stand at about 19,800 personnel, according to the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. The Ukrainian military also claims that Russia has lost 739 tanks, 1,964 armored fighting vehicles, 358 artillery systems, 115 multiple launch rocket systems, 64 anti-aircraft warfare systems, 158 aircraft, 143 helicopters, 1,429 motor vehicles, 7 boats cutters, 76 fuel tankers, 132 unmanned aerial vehicles, 25 special equipment units and 4 mobile SRBM systems. US President Joe Biden has called his Russian counterpart, Vladimir Putin, a dictator and has accused him of genocide in Ukraine. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has praised his American counterpart's comments as the true words of a true leader. Putin himself has said that peace talks with the enemy have reached a dead end and has accused Kyiv of issuing fake claims of war crimes. The presidents of Poland, Latvia, and Estonia are en route to the Ukrainian capital to meet Zelensky. However, German President Frank-Walter Steinmeier has been told he is not wanted due to recent close ties to Russia. The mayor of Mariupol has said that around 21,000 civilians have been killed and 100,000 are still awaiting evacuation from the besieged port city in southeastern Ukraine. Ukraine and Russia are now concentrating their forces in the Donbas region in eastern Ukraine after Moscow withdrew troops from north of Kyiv. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.